Fuck.
Oh, quit. Squad.
Now he's gonna catch a fucking monster. Oh, fish on.
Fuck.
Get wrecked.
You fucking helpless.
Kill
bro.
difference.
Oh, you fucking whore. Up for another little snap?
Dude, they would,
Oh,
yeah.
you whore.
That kept...
I need to light the cigarette here.
Hear that, kids on YouTube? Smoke your cigarettes. Stay on drugs, don't do school.
Yeah.
Holy.
Don't mess this one up now.
Oh, double header. Oh, shit. Bro, I'm sitting here about to pass out. Like, when I'm about to pass out, I hold my fucking breath every time I look. Fishing is too intense.
Too hard.
99. Sweet dreams. It is.
Imagine drifting on here.
It would be so sick.
You could just do 360s and shit everywhere.
It's like, who the fuck's gonna tell you not to?
Yeah, no risk.
You're gonna drive your truck on.
I'm over here.
Sideways down the lake.
Oh, no, I'm over here.
Dirty fucking cockhorn. You took my bait? You think so, do ya? Whole other species of cocksucker. Well, fucking sideways, boy. Look at that one. Fucking. Oh, fuck. Oh, you fucking dirty cockhorn! Oh! Fuck, this guy's got some teeth on him.
That is not what you want to hear in bed. Oh, I busted through! Got the hole, boy!
They squirt at me. Alright. Alright.
Fuck, a fucking lake out here. And I think we're legitimately sinking, boys. They could just over, like, bunch of overflow.
Is it?
Like 3-inch water out here.
He's hitting it. He's playing. Oh! He's pissed. The way they just snap out of it.
He's mad.
He looks pissed.
Oh! Yeah, that's
Cheers,
crazy,
boys.
dude. There's fish around. Maybe give it a big drop and flash a bit.
What's going on there?
Living the life of a fish.
It's crazy how clear that is. Let a fish just come by and hammer it right now.
It's a fucking hog. Oh, there's a fish. There's a bunch of them coming in.
Holy fuck. Look
That
at
might be going for you, Gabe.
Look at that. Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
You were too
Fucking lost it because of the phone.
Oh, yeah. He's not on. Look. Yep.
Oh!
Dude, that's sick.
Let's go! Oh!
He's coming straight up.
That was fucking incredible.
Yeah. Drop all the way down and I'll find your lure.
Yeah, quit! Let's go! Caden with the commando skills in this bitch. That's insane. It's like, you just wait for Caden to shout, yep.
Yeah.
I probably would have missed that if I didn't look at the camera.
Yeah, that's why I said, look.
Yeah.
Yep.
I think I lost him. Oh, I still got him, bro. What the No. That's insane.
That was perfect.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I lost him.
Oh, fuck.
Right at the top.
Look
Yeah.
too big.
No, that's all right. Quick release.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll fucking scooch back a little bit. Alright, perfect. Gotta get a fucking angle on the rod. D my big rod. Yeah, Gabe's taking pictures. Kind of weird.
I mean, I can't lie, bro. It's pretty nice rod.
Yeah, it's impressive.
It is. It is. It's
It do-
good use all day.
Do be catching.
Dude.
When?
Oh!
Yes, sir. It's crazy how they take it and they just start shaking their head.
Shout out to Commander.
Fuck, he's coming quick. He's burping.
Are you on bottom too?
There we go.
Let's go!
There we go.
My boy!
There you go. Firework on her.
Go up just a little bit more. Your bait's just right above the sand.
Y'all see that shit?
That's a fucking perfect baiting job right there. I'm a masturbator.
Yeah. Pile of bait at the bottom of your hole says different. You're probably over to the left a bit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there I am. Oh shit. That probably yanked my bait off. It
Yeah.
did. Should be there.
Easy dubs with the boys.
They drift. The fish going after you.
Yeah.
Yep.
Let's go!
Oh, Gabe, fish on you.
Yeah, hook.
Yeah.
Oh, did I get him?
No, he's there. He's still there. He's down at the bottom.
Oh yeah, on
Drop
me.
all the way down. Oh, he's on you.
Oh, let's go!
Fuck, I lost
Oh, fuck!
He might be going back to you. Oh no, he's going back to Glenn.
Boom!
Yeah.
Oh, let's go!
Fuck, better show the camera.
Oh, that's insane!
I gotta get back down
Look at
there.
those colors, eh? Oh, fuck. He's pissed. He's like, what the fuck is this
He
thing's
might
deal?
think I'm like another fish,
He
like a
must.
predatory fish.
He's trying to bang.
He must. It's in mating season.
I think so.
Yeah, that's why the water looks like that.
That's crazy.
Oh, let's
Gabe
fucking
just gets
go.
fucking slammed.
Let's
He's-
fucking go.
Is he there?
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
That's a good one.
Let's fucking go.
That's a good one, dude.
Oh.
Yeah, dude. look at
Let's
that
go! Laugh as fuck. Let's go, boys!
Yeah.
Woo! Like that.
Where's some
Easy
dog?
money with the boys.
fucking
Easy
dog.
money with the boys.
Down.
I got big hands, bro. Right, we're good.
Never handled a fish.
Fucking beauty.
He's right on you.
Holy
Yep.
fuck, there's like 4 fish down there. Good spot. Oh yeah.
He's got you.
Oh, yeah. Holy fuck, eh?
It's like you're doing.
You're about to get
Watch, Quinn's gonna
A
drop down and
world-class
catch that
view.
guy right now.
world-class view of this shit. Some pro angler shit right here you're about to see. Okay, don't even need to hit bottom.
I wonder who that is.
Make sure my drag's alright.
I'm gonna get you at the bottom so I can
Okay,
see it
okay.
fly away.
Okay, okay, okay.
Look at
Come
that
get
one.
some, pussy.
No.
Come get some. Oh. Bigger one. Gimme.
Oh!
Fuck. Fuck, he's gone. I lost my bait.
Nope.
No.
Take it. Fucking just swallow the thing. Oh,
Fuck.
they're all skitzed out. Give me that other one.
Yeah, totally, eh?
Here he comes.
Oh,
yeah. Fuck yeah.
Let's go.
There he goes. He's coming straight up too.
Dude.
There he goes.
Beauty.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Soak the tent real quick.
Well, shut off the camera for about a minute.
Oh yeah, he's on you. Take it.
Take it.
Oh.
Felt him last second there.
Yeah. You lost your bait. He's going for it.
Bring it up just to, yeah, there you go. There you go.
That's cool.
Oh wait, no.
Oh,
Is that me right there? That's
Yeah,
fucking-
that little white thing.
Yeah,
Yeah, he's
yeah.
got it.
Let's
No,
go.
dude, that's
Oh.
perfect.
Fuck yeah. Now that would not have happened without that camera.
That was sick.
No bait.
That's insane. That shit up, boys.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. He's a fish.
What a fish she's.
Oh, fuck.
What? Oh.
I'm gonna pass out from holding my breath, bro. Fuck, it's so intense.
He's going crazy.
The fuck happened there?
Oh no, I lost
Yeah,
my
you
bait.
did. Try and hook your bait. Snag it.
Oh. It's like a fight for the bait now. Oh!
Oh,
Did he take your lure?
What the fuck? Is he still
He's
on?
still on. No way. Dude, no way. What the fuck? Dude, that's a nice fish.
That is a nice fish.
Dude.
What the fuck?
I flipped up my spool and it just went slack and you fucking, I thought it snapped or something. Holy
That was-
shit.
Dude.
Oh, he's big.
Dude, our tent. Oh, he's really big. Oh, and he snapped off.
Oh!
Yeah, the save. The save.
Bro, your fishing today is insane.
Looking straight up at us.
That's insane. This is under. Oh! Fucking right. Fucking right. Let's fucking go. Hey, he's alright. Oh,
Look at that.
with the dub!